Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to join the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone and iPad, but iPhone says unable to join the network. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. After that, we are going to unplug the Wi-Fi router. Then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, plug in back the Wi-Fi router, go back to settings, Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi and try to connect. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then launch settings, tap on Wi-Fi and tap on I symbol. After tapping on I symbol, we are going to tap on forget this network and tap again forget. After forget the network, we have to go back to settings, turn off Wi-Fi. Wait for a few seconds or a couple of seconds, then turn on Wi-Fi and put your password again. That's it. If none of these is not working, then settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, reset and reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.